Take a look at this great looking Mustang Coupe, 1965. Beautiful car. As you can see, this is an ember glow. So one of the more popular Mustang colors that we've had in recently. We just actually recently had one of these in. Did not last long. I don't expect this one to last long either. This particular car has had a frame off restoration according to the previous owner that traded it in to us. Very nice running and driving car. Said they drove this one a lot in the summer. It was just time for them to get into something a little bit different, and switched over to a little later model Corvette. So we have this one in on trade. It's going to make somebody very, very happy for summers to come. Like I said, previous owner stated this was a frame off restoration. Take a look at the undersides. You can see how clean this car is. Undersides, interior, engine bay. Check out the pictures down below in the description of this video. There's a link you can click on that'll take you straight to our website, which is uniqueclassiccars.com. And then you can check over this car and look at all the still pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about. Feel free to give us a call to 507-386-1726. We'll be happy to answer any questions you may have on this car. It is powered by an inline 6-cylinder underneath the hood, automatic transmission, and like I said, it is a nice runner and driver. They actually drove this car to us when they traded it in. They live, I'd say an hour and a half away. Don't have any problems jumping in this one and going. Nice looking wheel covers with those knockoff style spinners. Just a neat look to this car. It does have the black painted stripes on the side and the top deck lids hood. Really sets off that ember glow. And then you come around, you got the black interior. You have a custom installed, I believe it was JBL speakers and Alpine stereo. Great sounding stereo in this one. I was playing around with the wipers, gauges, everything seemed to work in it. But yeah, just look up and down this car and look at the nice shine that paint has. You won't be afraid to take this one to any of your local shows, cruise-in nights, roll-ins, or just out having a little fun. Again, 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe in ember glow. Now we do consider trades, obviously. We traded this one in on the later model Corvette. We can assist with financing, and we'll sure help you get this car transported to where you're located at. Phone number 507-386-1726. And of course, down below in the description of this video, there is the link you can click on. It'll take you right to our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures of this car. Look it over close. You'll see what I'm saying about the bottom side of this thing. Very, very, very nice shape. Nice restoration done to it. Go ahead and check out the interior. We'll fire this up, check out the engine bay, and just check it all over. See, interior lights work. Vinyl on this one is nice. Not ripped, torn, showing any sort of age or anything like that. Let's go check out the headliner. Beautiful in it. Go ahead, fire this up a second. See how easily it starts. There's your stereo I was talking about, is an Alpine. Turn that down so you don't have the little bright light there with the interior lights. We got two JBL speakers up front, also 6x9s on the deck lids, I believe it was, for the rear. Come around to the gauges. You can see the fuel gauge works, oil pressure, amp gauge. Of course, the temp gauge isn't going to be up high enough to read yet. Appears everything else is working. I also tried this earlier. Fan does work also for the heater. Wipers did work. So everything functioning on this car, from what I could see. Slip around at the back, just nice, smooth running. Line 6 underneath there. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second. I'll pop that hood. Let's check out how nice and tidy this engine bay is, how good it looks. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood. How nicely it's finished as far as paint wise there. Engine bay, they painted the valve covers and ember glow to match the car. It does have an electric fan you can hear running there. Very nicely restored underneath here too. Just smooth our engine runs. Everything functioning as you would expect. Very nice bright work on this car too, as far as chrome bumper and what have you. So you're looking for a Mustang Coupe that's a nice driver, turnkey, get in and go. One that looks good, shows well. Here you go, 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. Beautiful ember glow. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Again, down in the description of this video, click on the link. It'll take you right to our website, uniqueclassiccars.com, where you can check this out closer. Financing is available on these classics. We can assist you with transportation to where you're located at, and we do consider trades. Give us a call.